Hello, my name is Person Niño. I am from Bucaramanga, Colombia. I live with my mother in Girón. I have a motorcycle to mobilize me. I am studying psychology. I really like cats. My hobby is play the piano. I have 4 siblings, 2 brothers, 2 sisters. I am the oldest. I am 23 years old. And youngest is Samuel. He is 9 years old. My mother is Emilce Ortiz. She is 40 years old. She is a housewife. She is from Barranca Bermeja. My father is Nelson Niño. He is 44 years old. He is a driver. He is from Sabana de Torres. All my siblings are studying. We are all from Bucaramanga. They are: Lisette is 18 years old. She is at school studying dentistry. Haider is 16 years old. He is in 11th grade at school. And Angie is 14 years old. Thanks.